Welcome back to the channel. A client of mine approached me. They're renovating the whole kitchen and they had issues with this drawer which they can't fully open because of the dishwasher handle coming in the way. This was the quickest, easiest solution that I could think of, and they're really happy with it. So relax, enjoy, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. So the drawer front is stapled. They've used multiple staples on it, so I'm not even going to try and pry it open. Don't want to damage the drawer, so I'm going to leave it on there and work around it.